Big rust holes can make your car look worn out and weaken its panels, if left untreated. With the right tools and repair method, you can restore the surface, stop the rust from spreading, and extend the life of your vehicle. Start by assessing the damage to see how far the rust has spread. Carefully check the depth of the rust to determine whether it's only on the surface or if it has eaten through the metal, creating weak spots or holes. Begin by removing the rust and old paint from the damaged area. Use an angle grinder to grind away the rust until you reach clean, shiny metal. After grinding, apply a rust converter to any edges or tight spots where rust remains and cannot be fully removed. For holes larger than 1 to 2 inches, create a backing to support the repair. If you are using a metal patch panel, cut and shape it to fit the opening, then secure it by riveting or welding for a stronger, long-lasting fix. Sand the repaired area starting with 80 grit to shape the filler, then move to 180 grit to refine the surface. Finally, wipe the area clean with a wax and grease remover to prepare it for priming. A fiberglass resin kit offers a strong, affordable fix for big rust holes, bonding well to metal and providing a durable base for filler and paint, ideal for non-structural repairs. Then mix the fiberglass resin from the repair kit and apply it over the mesh to form a solid base for the patch. After it hardens, spread thin layers of body filler over the area to refine the shape. Sand between each layer until the surface is smooth and level with the surrounding metal. Finally, make sure the edges blend seamlessly for a professional-looking finish. Automotive primer seals out moisture and creates a strong base for paint, making repairs last longer and resist rust. Apply 2 to 3 even coats of automotive primer over the repaired area, allowing each coat to dry as directed. Once the primer is fully cured, sand it lightly with 400 grit sandpaper to smooth the surface and ensure a clean, even base for painting. Fixing rust holes on a budget without welding can be done using fiberglass. Remove all weak rusted metal, treat the area with rust converter, and clean it thoroughly. Cut fiberglass mat, mix resin and hardener, and layer it over the hole until fully saturated. After it cures, sand smooth, apply short-strand filler to shape, and use glazing putty for small flaws. Finish with primer, matching paint, and clear coat, and protect the backside with undercoating if accessible. While not as strong as welded metal, this method offers an affordable, durable fix that prevents further rust and improves appearance. With the right tools and patience, you can restore strength and appearance without costly professional repairs.